What's up, guys? This is Will H of Will H Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today we're taking a look at another gaming headset. So this was sent out to me by the company EKSA or ESKA. So a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. Now, I've worked with them in the past. They make some great products. So we got another one on hand here. So this is the Star Engine 3-in-1 gaming headset. And you can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be $69.99. But if you go over right now, you can apply the $10 coupon that they have to get them for a little bit less price there, $10 off. So let's go over some of the features and details. So this is going to be compatible with all platforms. You're going to have a Type-C, a USB-A, and a 3.5 millimeters. So this is going to work with your PC, your PS4, your PS5, your Xbox, your switches, and all mobile devices. This has a detachable call noise canceling microphone. This features the ENC technology, which will offset about 96% of the background noise. This also features 7.1 surround sound plug and play. This has the 50 millimeter drivers, which is going to have the ESKA dual chamber drivers inside of it as well. And this would help with the airflow movement in the sound chamber. And here's the outline of the headset here. You see you're going to have your volume control, your microphone mute, your light switch for your graphics on the outside of the headphones. You got your Type-C audio interface, and then you got your microphone interface. So I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So let's go ahead and get into the box and check it out. All right, guys, so here's the packaging that it comes in. As you guys see, very colorful, excellent presentation here. You're going to see their branding up there. They call this the Star Engine 3-in-1 gaming headset. You got the driver-free 7.1 surround sound, AI-powered environmental noise cancellation. And then, as I mentioned earlier, this is going to be compatible with your PS5s, your PS4s, your Xbox, Nintendo Switches, laptops, PCs, and all of the above. Here's some more of that same specs here. And then on the back, this is going to give you some of the specs as far as the driver size, which is going to be 50 millimeters, your impedance, and your weight, and things like that. It's going to tell you also what's included in the packaging. But it's time to get into the box and check these out. So very nice presentation. And as we get into the box, still a very nice presentation. We're going to have a box here. Let's go ahead and see what's in this. So inside of this box, within the box, we're going to have our Type-C to 3.5 millimeter cable, which looks to be about 3 to 4 feet long. It does have the cable management here. I always like to see companies do that. Here's your detachable microphone, and it does have a wind muff built onto the end of it, which is nice. Then, of course, we're going to have the headphones. We got another box in here, and let's see what's in this one. So this package is full of all kinds of things here for 70 bucks. It's not bad. So you're going to get all the cables that you need to use whichever gaming system or whatever system you're going to have. So you got this. Looks like a Type-C in, and then you got your USB-A there. Cable management on this one here as well, Type-C to Type-C. Another cable looked like 3 to 4 feet long. And then you're going to have your user's manual as well, going to let you know everything you need to know about this set of headphones, gaming headphones. Then, of course, we're going to have our headphones themselves, and they're going to come in this nice carrying bag. As you guys see, the branding is on the bag. It's a soft bag, got the purple accent on it here, the drawstring. And let's take a look at the headset for the first time here. So initial impressions, they feel very light feeling, and they feel excellent. The memory foam is very soft. The padding up at the top is nice. You do have some branding here at the top of it. You got this nice green stitching going around here. The cables going in are green. And then we're going to have some green accents on the outside of the headphones as well. That will light up once they're powered up. These are going to be marked left and right with the green accent. And these are nice, man. This foam padding for the ears is very nice. And then as we looked at earlier, you got your volume up and down. You're going to have your mute switch for your microphone. You got your power on and off, Type-C, and your 3.5 millimeter jack right there. One thing about these, they will expand, and they do feel pretty sturdy, guys. They don't feel like a cheap pair of headphones here. And like I said, I can't stop talking about how soft the memory foam is. So we're going to go ahead and get these paired up and take a listen to see how they sound. So let's get into that part next. Okay guys, so this is my Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra tablet, and as I normally do when I'm making these type of videos, I let you guys hear how the internal microphones sound on the tablet, and then I normally put the headphones on to give you kind of an idea how the sound from the microphone on the headphones sound. So the next thing we're going to see is and hear is the headphones plugged into the tablet. So let's go. All right guys, so now the microphone is plugged in. I want you guys to see the pulsating green light right there. That is pretty cool. I haven't had a pair that does that. I do have the microphone plug in here using the Type-C. Now with some of the other headphones that I've been using, I always have to use a dongle like this to plug in, but this came with every cable that you want. You got your Type-C extender right here, and you also got your 3.5 to Type-C in right there. So it includes everything that you need to use this with different devices as well. So pulsating light looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and put them on and see how they sound now. So this is on my head. Does a pretty good job of isolating the outside noise. Feel very comfortable on my ears. Here's a side profile, let you guys see how they look and give you an idea how they would look on you had them on. So the good thing about the mic, you can move it wherever you want and take it off as well. So I'm going to attempt to do some gaming and listen to some music and maybe watch a movie or two, and then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts and opinion on this set of headsets. Okay guys, so we're back in. This has been my look at the ESKA 3-in-1 gaming headset. This is the E5000 Pros, and I think overall these are nice, man. I do like the accented color out here. These are very comfortable on the ear. I think you can wear these all day long. Padding up here is nice, and they feel very sturdy and quality filled in the hand. Feel like they'll last a long time. Do like the idea of the removable microphone as well. And I can't stress how much this on the ear, over the ear, is so comfortable. Listening at music, I listened at several different genres of music. The mids and high were good. The bass is surprisingly good on this. They got some pretty good bass. They kind of isolate the outside noise very well. I did some light gaming and pushing the surround sound button. I use that as well with the music as well and watching movies. It does make a difference. It fully immerse you in the and what's going on. You kind of forget about what's going on there. So I do like the idea of just having all the different chords that you're gonna need, and I think these are great, man. Uh, like I said, the bass, these have 50 millimeter drivers. They sound good. The mids and highs sound great. You can adjust the volume right on the ear with your strolling knob right here, and it's great, man. So the microphone quality sound great as well. I'm not a gamer, so I just did some light gaming, and it was fun using these. So I would definitely drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. I'm Will H. This is Will H. Gadgets and More. I'm out.